Hi everyone, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com, and I am here to give you a little preview of this week's sewing tutorial. I am so excited about this. I have been literally dreaming about this bag for years and years and years. In fact, more than 12 years ago when I started my company, Watermelon Wishes, and I initially thought that I was just going to resell other people's handmade items. I had a woman off of eBay make me some custom bags like this. They were slightly different. The actual strap was divided by a zipper, which is pretty clever but not totally practical. And there were just some weird things about them that I thought she could have changed. And it was actually through that process of receiving these kind of slightly imperfect handmade goods that I came to sew, because I could see the little ways that I can improve that design, or I wondered why they did it like this and didn't do it like this. So long story short, this was very similar to the bag that I really wanted to sell, and it took me this long to actually design it, and I am so thrilled with how simple this bag is to make. I think you are gonna just freak out when you see how easy this is and totally functional. I have already loaded mine up and have been using it. The cool thing about this bag is it's convertible, so you can wear it over the shoulder, crossbody, or backpack style. My daughter has already put in her request for one. She's going to use it as her school backpack. She's only 9, so this would be a great school backpack for her. For me personally, it's a great size for a purse, and that's what I'm going to use it for. The bag has 4 really deep exterior pockets, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. And it has 4 deep interior pockets. It closes with this Velcro flap. You could trade out the Velcro if you wanted. And if you want to get clever, you can put some zippers in there for the pockets to keep your valuables nice and secure. You could also do flaps. So this is a great basic design that's going to leave you a lot of creative freedom to customize this. I also want to announce the winner of last week's giveaway. I am filling up this priority flat rate envelope full of designer fabric scraps, and the winner from our happy mail list is Miss Alex God. Congratulations, Alex. I'm going to send you an email. If you just reply to that with your shipping address, I will send your fabric out right away and you can get sewing with that. If you would like to sign up to be on the happy mail list, just head on over to Sewspire.com. Periodically I will be doing giveaways for all kinds of things. Sometimes it's products that we make or the samples, sometimes it's fabric. I'm hoping soon to have a couple gift cards from online fabric shops, so I think that that's going to be very exciting. I've got a lot of really great plans in store for the channel that you're going to be hearing about in the coming weeks, so do stay tuned. That's all I have for this week. I'm going to close out with some photos of some things that I made for my customers over at Watermelon Wishes, just to offer you a little inspiration. And I will be back very soon with another studio update and a sewing project. Take care, everyone, and until we meet again, please know the creative genius in me celebrates the creative genius in you.